Welcome to Purple Trading, where we offer you cTrader, the incredibly comprehensive platform that has raised the standards in the online trading industry. During previous videos, we looked at some elements of the charts and templates and how to save configurations of indicators, and in this video we will look specifically at indicators. Indicators in cTrader can be found by clicking the Indicators icon in each chart's Favorites panel, or by right-clicking and selecting Indicators. cTrader has broken down the indicators into various categories like trend, such as moving averages and parabolic SAR, oscillators, such as the stochastic oscillator, MACD and RSI, volatility, such as Bollinger Bands and average true range, volume, such as on-balance volume, other indicators, and custom indicators that you can create yourself or download. On cTrader Desktop, you may click here or on Indicators under Links on both cTrader Desktop and Web to access a huge array of indicators to download. You may also search for indicators by typing here and locating them either in the platform or online. The most basic of indicators is the simple moving average. As we showed in a previous video, every indicator has variable parameters including colors, line type, and line thickness. Of course, with any moving average, you will need to set the periods. You may display many indicators at the same time, and adjusting the color is the best way to distinguish between each one. On cTrader Desktop, any indicator can be modified by moving your cursor over until you see a label and/or a glow on the indicator. From here, any parameter may be changed. On both cTrader Desktop and Web, you may edit or remove objects here, or by right-clicking and selecting Objects List. Select the indicator, click, and you may change the parameters. There are many indicators where you are not encouraged to modify the parameters, except for color, of course, such as Bollinger Bands. Adding an oscillator is a simple process, and you may add as many as you wish, as they appear in sub-windows which can be resized. Using the crosshairs is useful here, as you may align price action from the main chart with the key elements in the sub-windows, which is extremely important when backtesting indicators. On cTrader Web, you may also compress the y-axis if you wish, by clicking and dragging, and if you click anywhere in the sub-window, you may delete or modify the indicator. You may also delete sub-windows simply by clicking the X here. A variety of Fibonacci objects are available in both desktop and web in the Instruments toolbar. They are edited like graphics objects, which we will cover in a later video. Simply hover over the main line and you may adjust the entire object or each endpoint. Right-clicking allows you to modify the lines or colors, and you may delete as well. Should you wish to download an indicator for use on cTrader Desktop, you may select from the categories, preview the indicator, and download. Simply follow the instructions on your screen and, once installed, you may find the new indicator under Custom. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this cTrader Desktop and Web video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be purple.